Hello everyone, I am sharing my view on the topic of BRICS. BRICS is a community of 5 countries and it is established in 2006. In a starting, there are 4 countries are the part of it and it's called only the BRIC. There that is the mean of Brazil, Russia, India and China. And after 4 years, South Korea and also take the part in it. And currently it become and calls a BRICS like as Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. There are 5 countries are the part of it. So it is the great community for development and improve relationship with together and neighboring countries. We know that in a past time Brazil was not supported us and its support is to a Pakistan. But when this unity make it, so Brazil definitely support us and ready to help us. We know that in 2020 every country faced the problem of COVID-19 and in that period every country's GDP and economy is going down. So we can also take the help of vaccines from the another countries and we also supplied the foods for the countries there they are needed. So we can say that BRIC is a good community and with the help of it we are also improving our relationship with the another countries. So at the last I want to conclude my topic. May any other countries also should be join it for development the countries, because last meeting held of BRICS in 2019, here our Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed about the growing economy and how they can become a development country. So it is the biggest step for the 5 countries to making a good GDP. So they should also invite more countries for improve their relationship from other countries and do a regular meeting of it and discuss it. Thank you.